Hello friends, today's our topic is spleen. So first of all, position of the spleen. Spleen lies in left hypochondriac region and partly in epigastric region. Okay, now spleen is a wedge-shaped organ present in the left hypochondriac region and epigastric, partially in epigastric region. First we say dimension of the spleen. Its thickness is 1 inches. Thickness is 1 inches. Width is 3 inches. Length is 5 inches, and it is lies in 9, 10, 11th rib. So it is lie in parallel to the 11th rib. Okay, and its spleen is soft, highly vascular, and dark purple color organ. Okay, now we see anatomy of the spleen. This is the anterior end. Anterior end is more like border. Posterior end is rounded. 3 borders: superior border, inferior border, intermediate border. Superior border has characteristic by notch near the anterior end. Notch near the anterior end. Inferior border is rounded, and near the intermediate border there is a hilum. Hilum मधून त्याच्या vessels and nerves pass होतात. Okay, now surfaces, diaphragmatic surface. This is a diaphragmatic surface and visceral surface. Diaphragmatic surface is more convex. This is a convex surface, and visceral surface is a irregular surface. Visceral surface lies in between the superior border, inferior border, and anterior pole. Anterior pole or anterior end has 2 angles: anterobasal angle and posterobasal angle. Anterobasal angle lies in between superior border and anterior end. Posterobasal angle lies in between inferior border and anterior end. Okay, त्यानंतर आपण visceral impression बघूया. स्प्लीन वरचे येणारे visceral impression for the stomach, impression for the colon, impression for the left kidney, and pancreatic impression. First impression is a gastric impression. स्टमकचं impression हे in between the superior border and intermediate border मध्ये असतं. So gastric impression lies in between the superior border and intermediate border. Second one is renal impression. Renal impression for left kidney lies in between the intermediate border and inferior border. So here is a renal impression. Colon impression. Colon impression, that is a splenic flexure of colon. याचं impression इथे असतं in between the hilum and anterior end. This triangular area here, colon impression is present. Colonic impression is present. Last one is pancreatic impression. Pancreatic impression lies here in between the hilum and anterior end, or in between the hilum and colon impression. Tail of the pancreas impression is present. Okay, so this is about all about the spleen.